You are looking at the start of an adventure. This is a touring setup that I'm going to intentionally take bike packing, so it's loaded up, not too heavy, but there to see how well this Thule system holds up. First trip is actually going to be the library, but after that, on some running trails, which will try to make use of the maps I printed out. Hopefully not crash into too much stuff. If I can stay upright for this whole trip, that will make my day. So I've got my first mile done, and glad to say I haven't fallen yet. Came close, but my chain popped off. That was the main reason why. Show you my rig as it stands. All is holding well. Got 10 pounds in each of those. That's just full of water, so that, who knows. And then 5 pounds in each of the front bags. And we got the basket, which really just has some layering. And then my tech and snacks up there with my map will be draped over the back. It's about low 60s, I think it's like 61. This kind of slow cycling, easy pace, cool weather, it's beautiful. Pace I'm putting out is pretty slow intentionally. I'm trying not to ruin these bags. I'm stressing them because they're not bike packing, they're more touring. But I wanted to push the limits and really see what Thule was made of. They've done quite well. So I'm excited for the rest of the journey, which goes that away. I don't want to cross this, and I think, even though the trail is marked correctly for the one I'm on, I'm going to go back about a quarter mile, follow the other trail that I saw unmarked, and hope to catch a road which then has its own bridge over this water. What a pain. I'm just not risking it today, being smart. I actually did just take a spill at the last bridge. No. My right knee is sore for some reason. I don't know what I would have hit. I think I knocked it on that. Beginner's mistake. Veneers have not seemed to have been damaged, which is amazing because that was my biggest worry of this trip, is having something catastrophically fail. So here we have the bridge, and this is the problem after the bridge. With all the weight on the bike, I just don't want to ride through it, but we'll figure it out. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Yes. That's the trail. That's a beautiful creek. I wonder, maybe there was an old bridge at one point, cement there. One of the things I'm just so thankful for is the gear that I have to be able to do this. I have a sweet mountain bike, I have awesome panniers, and just all the gear I need to stay warm and dry, run through these trails and not get tired. I mean, it's just a lot of challenges for sure. I mean, you saw some of them. My knee's holding out, so I'm happy. And we're on the right trail. No trolls, good. Usually there's trolls underneath the bridge. Supposedly there's a lot of trees down later on. Sweet, sweet view. I have to dismount for this tree. It's not big. Just look at this. So gorgeous. All right, let's see if I can get over this without ruining anything. Crank just cleared it by like 1/4 of an inch. That's outstanding. Let's see how well I can click in now. It's been my challenge today. Getting better. Mistake. Oh, clipped out just in time. Wow. See, I would assume the trail would go that way. That little guy says otherwise. Water house. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the bike here, let's check it out. So I could go the long way, which I think avoids this, which is where that Waterhouse trail goes, or try to muster it up this stuff. Easy does it. Let's go this way. is not light. Down tree. Whew. I was huffing for that one. To go around this and not get full of thorns. It's not getting any lighter. See, challenge accepted. One of the problems pushing this thing, my leg catches the bag every time I push in, so I gotta hold it at an angle. Feeling great though, knee is working fine. Who thought cycle packing would be so much walking? I didn't. 35 to 40 pounds on your bike. Well, I know it's too much. That challenge is still there. See horizon. Oh, there's something beautiful here. Those. If I try pushing it there, I'm going to be like 3 feet below it, that angle. That's not going to work. And there's 2 trees here, and then beyond that, some more trees. Beyond that, some more trees. This is just, I don't even know how far to go. Well, let's go in someone's backyard and figure it out. Ooh, okay. That's too many thorns. Don't want to risk a puncture. Oh boy. Pretty good. Onward. See if I can actually do some riding now. This is what I'm dealing with on this trail. Front one's clear easy, but will the back one's clear? Yes. This is a lot of fun. Don't get me wrong. It is a challenge, and I'm learning. This will not clear. I could angle it and end up down there. Ooh, I know. Well, that cleared it. How did I not see that? Oh boy, here we go again. Sideways. Could be more graceful. I'll be feeling that later. Look at this. Let's do some riding. Here's the other solution. You can see where my bike is out there. The only thing is, that last, I don't know, 2 feet, lifting that is going to be just as hard. So I'm just going to call it good. Go over there, unpack everything from the panniers, and carry it across. See, everything's working out. I wouldn't have thought to take a lunch, push myself too hard, even though I'm not in a race. And here we are. We get to enjoy lunch by the river. So just taking off my rear pannier. And taking them off is easy, putting them on is a little challenge. And I noticed that little guy was rattling loose. So had I not gotten here at the right time, oh man, I got the tool to tighten that. I'll do that in a minute. But I've been doing a once over every now and again. Pannier bags, racks, even after the spill, holding up great. I like the design. I don't like the application of attaching and detaching. There's a metal cable that's hidden behind there. It needs to be much longer, and I'm going to do that in addition later. But even with a longer cable, it's still trying to maneuver when you've got things on top. If you didn't have things on top, it'd be okay. That's kind of the point. So I know there's other systems. This was just one that I had available to me, and it looks cool, and that's what matters. So much easier without anything on it. Everything is working great. Got it all loaded back up, safe and secure. I actually had to tighten down quite a few more bolts than I realized. Just want to show you what else is going on here. My knee is swollen. That is all inflammation there. So trying to take it easy as that bends, because that really hurt. Well, I'm not crossing it, but there is a stream. Oops. Dang it. Stepped in the mud and kicked up in here. Well, yeehaw. It's not bike packing, it's bike walking. It is now 6:02. Let's see how much I can do. Last half hour hope to be on the W and OD trail. That little whoop-de-doo, whoop-de on the back you don't see anymore. Yeah, leads me to this, which is not on the map, and that's the trail marker. That sign says go that way, that sign says go that way. So I'm gonna go that way. Let's see if I can clip in a matter of 3 feet. Let's see if my practice will pay off today. There's one. Oh, this will be interesting. Nope. There's two. Nice. So glad I didn't do this at night. That would have been crazy. What an electrifying moment. That is a wonderful sight, because that is all paved. I give you the W and OD trail. Second time today. Luckily, both times on pavement, but this chain has jumped it. Oh, it hurts to kneel. Bingo. Good to go. Awesome. So this is the farthest I've ever gone on the W&OD trail, and I've got another 18-ish miles to go, and it's already 8:40. I'm gonna grab something to eat, relax, my knee a break. It's still pretty swollen. Hopefully outrun the rain. Everything's waterproof. This is water resistant. I'm still trying to make decent time as a personal challenge. Get there by midnight.